Hi everyone, have you ever noticed how bulbs connected in series are dimmer than when they are connected alone? In this video, I will show you guys why bulb dim in a series circuit. Okay, from the circuit above, we have a 12-volt battery and two identical bulbs, each with resistance of 6 ohms connected in series. Why are they dimmer than when they are connected to the same voltage? Here we have the two identical bulbs connected in series with the 12-volt battery, and here we have a single watt bulb connected on the same watt battery. So what are we going to do? We are going to calculate the total resistance when they are connected in series, and the current that flows through them, and also the power per bulb, and compare to that of when a single bulb is connected to the same voltage. Let's dive into it. Okay, solution. The total resistance here, ROT, will be equals to 6 plus 6, which is the resistance of the bulb. It will be 12 ohms. So the current according to Ohm's law, I, will be equals to what? V over what? The total resistance, which will be what? The voltage of the battery is 12 divided by the total resistance, which is 12. It will be what? 1 amps. So here we take away this, it will be 1 amp. So the power per bulb will be what? I squared R. So P will be equals to I squared is 1 squared multiplied by R, which is what? 6, which is what? 6 ohms, which will be I squared is 1. So 1 times 6 is 6 watts. So let's solve it when a single bulb is connected to the same volt battery. So the total resistance R will be what? 6 ohms, and the current I will be what? V over what? R, which will be what? 12 divided by 6, which will be what? 12 we take away here, it will be what? 2 amps. So the power which is P will be what? I squared, and which will be P will be what? 2 squared times R is what? The resistance of the bulb is 6, which will be 4 times 6, which will be what? 24 watts. So here are the two watts circuit calculation. So what are we going to do now? We are going to compare the two circuits and know the reason why bulb dim in a series circuit. Okay, I noticed that from this circuit, the current is lower compared to when a single bulb is connected to the same volt battery. The current here is half of what when it is connected to a single volt battery, which is 2 amps. Also, I noticed that the power is lower, also is similar to when it is connected to when a single bulb is connected to what? To the same volt battery, which is the 12-volt battery. So in conclusion, the reason why bulb dim in a series circuit is because what? Power is being shared. The power in a series circuit is being shared, and the current is lower. That is the reason why bulb dim in a series circuit. If you find this video helpful, like and follow me for more electrical tricks. Bye.